we are discussing about different cultivation of values. Okay, so we'll see some more points today. In that, if I'll see the syllabus, what I'm seeing here is we'll go through confidence, truthfulness, cleanliness, honesty, humanity, how it is needed in our life, that we'll see today. Now, can you see the presentation which I am showing here? Already discussed about the values. I don't want once again discuss about the same. Just I'll go through. Humans have unique ability to define their identity. So as I already told, every time every individual is having a different identity. So they represent themselves in different ways. Okay. So every individual is having different presentation skills. Okay. Even they are also have different natures, behavior, and even their influence are also different from others. Okay. So it depends upon the individual person that how that person is using his values. Okay, as I told, every time every person is having their own thoughts about a particular point. So every different person will be using his mind in a different way. Like I can say, like, see why people are changing captains of a cricket team. Okay, see, currently you have seen that a new captain is basically decided for T20 team for India. Okay, so different peoples are controlling the team in a different way. Previously, Mahendra Singh Dhoni was there. He's controlling capability, and Kohli, Virat Kohli captaincy is quite different. He is aggressive, whereas Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a cool captain. Already it is known to you. Okay, and you know the difference of natures of those two captains. And now there will be a third person who will be, the captain of Indian T20 team. So it depends why actually people, even the coach is also changed. Okay, so the thing is, when the controlling team, when the person who is controlling the a particular team is different, the way of presentation will be also different. Maybe it will be something, there will be a major difference between the previous team and this, even if the players were same, but when a captain will be changed, the performances will be changed. Okay, there may be chances that the performance will change. So it depends upon every individual, that how that person is controlling the team, what is the behavior, how the the dressing room situation, how the person is controlling the dressing room situation. That is also important in every aspect when we are talking about a particular Indian cricket team. It is just an example. Okay, the same thing will happen in industries also. You will be leading a team of 10-20 peoples, and there you will be implementing your ideas. Okay, it depends how you are implementing the ideas. Okay, and what ideas there in your mind. So those points will be very important, and that is what it is written here. Humans have unique ability to define their identity. Unique ability means every person is having his unique ability to control something. Okay, so types of values, if you'll see: self-help skills, social skills, ethical skills, value-related peace, value-related truthfulness. Those points will be very important. Values related to love, values related to non-violence. These points will be important. The same PDF I will be sharing, so you can go through. Okay, integrity also important, like I already told. Peace of mind, ऑनेस्टी, ओपन माइंडनेस, ये सारी चीजें जो है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाते हैं तुम्हारे लिए आगे. when you will be go ahead, then respect. like I already told, respect for every individual. Every person is having his own respect. Okay, so it is not that a person is working under you means he's not having any respect. So you have to see that also, how you are handling. Okay, you have to see the if a person is doing a mistake, then how you will be handling the problem, and how you will be explaining the things so that the person will do well in the future when the same work will be done. Okay, so it depends upon whether the person is at least when he's facing a mistakes, how that person is handling, and how the person who make mistake, how he is taking your prospect. Okay, so those things are also very important in the life. Okay, so recognize and accept the existence of other persons as human beings, because they have also right to live just as you have. इसका मीनिंग है कि जैसे आपको भी जिंदगी या लाइफ को जीने की हक है, वैसे ही बाकी लोगों का भी है, उस हिसाब से उनको आपको बिहेव करना है. सो respect others decisions, respect others words. So all those things will be also important when you will be facing the field, when you will be working in a particular area. Okay, so one need not accept or approve or award them, but shall listen them first. Okay, if somebody is telling something, somebody is explaining, then you first of all you listen carefully what that person is telling, see that what positive points are there, what negative points are there, and then you explain the same. Okay, this is what the points you told, and these are the points which will help you to go ahead, but these things, the other things will be let you go in the backward direction. So you can explain in a particular way so that the person will understand the analysis and then will go ahead. Okay, so respect for individual is also very important. Okay, similarly, the next point I want to discuss is when you are working, truthfulness is also important. Okay, when you are telling something, how much truth you are telling, how much importance you are giving to a particular point, how you are explaining your points, that is also important. So truthfulness and keeping the surrounding clean is also important in a work area. That also you have to take care of. Okay, honesty, humanity, these points are also important. So if I'll be seeing the points like caring, you have to take care of all. Caring is the meaning of caring is feeling for others. You know, if you have some caring nature to the other peoples of your working area, then that will create a good area of working, so that people will definitely when they will work, they will be thinking that we are secured enough around this particular work area. Okay, our boss is like this, so that he is controlling like this, and we are very safe working under him. You know, those type of points should be come in the mind of the workers. So that is important in when you are working in a good healthy work situation. Okay, so caring is feeling for others. It is a process which exhibits the interest in and support for the welfare of others with fairness and impartiality and justice in all activities among the employees in the context of professional ethics. It includes showing respect to the feelings of others and also respect and preserving the interest of all other concerns. So caring is reflected in the activities such as friendship, membership in the social clubs and professional societies, and through various transactions in the family, fraternity, community, country, and international councils. So it is very important. The next point is honesty. Honesty is a virtue and is exhibited in two aspects, namely truthfulness and trustworthiness. Truthfulness and trustworthiness दो पैरेलल चीजें हैं. बिलीव करना और भरोसा रखना, ये दोनों चीजें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. दैट इज लिंक टू ऑनेस्टी, एंड ऑनेस्टी इज बेसिकली that is developed right from our childhood. हम अब बचपन से जो माहौल में रहते हैं, हमारे पेरेंट्स हमको क्या लर्न कराते हैं, इसके ऊपर भी बहुत, और अपनी सराउंडिंग कैसा है, ये सारी चीजें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. So that how much honest you are, that will be reflected in front of you. Okay, so in that, the most important is telling truthful or telling truth and showing your truthfulness, as well as the trustworthiness. Okay, trustworthiness means किसी के ऊपर भरोसा करना, कोई कुछ बोल रहा है तो उसके ऊपर भरोसा करना is your trustworthiness. Okay, these 2 points should be important. Truthfulness is to face the responsibilities upon the telling truth. मतलब कोई चीजों को सच बोलना और उसके ऊपर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज दिखाना या रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज को फेस करना आपके ट्रूथफुलनेस को शो करता है. ओके, सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू मस्ट बी वेरी ट्रूथफुल व्हेन हैंडलिंग समथिंग इन ए कंपनी. वन शुड कीप वंस वर्ड और प्रोमिस. अगर कोई प्रोमिस किया है आपने, कोई वर्ड दिया है आपके वर्कर्स को, उसको जरूर ट्राई करना कि उसको हम निभाएं. जब टाइम आएगा, जब आपने बोला है कि ये आप वर्ड दिया है, आपने प्रॉमिस किया है कि ये होने वाला है, आगे हम जाके आपका ये करेंगे, तो आपको ये करना भी जरूरी है. सो ट्रूथफुलनेस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सो दैट it will present yourself, that how you are handling and how the workers or how the subordinates will depend upon you, or what will be the circumstance. It depends upon your truthfulness. Okay, जब आप कुछ बोलते हो तो आप करके दिखाते हो, तो उसके इंपॉर्टेंस और बढ़ जाता है. By admitting one's mistake, it is easy to fix them. Reliable engineering judgments, maintenance of truth, defending the truth, communicating the truth. Okay, all those things related to the truthfulness of yourself. Okay, only when it is good to others, only at that time only you will be showing your truthfulness is not important. Even if people will wrong, at that time also, if you are presenting yourself in a proper truthfulness direction, and if you will show the trustworthiness on those people, then it will be very important for you, so that people will obey you and will show over you, particularly if you'll take बिलीवनेस अगर आप दिखाओगे तो आपके ऊपर लोग भरोसा करेंगे. एंड यू विल क्रिएट सच ए प्लेटफॉर्म दैट वट एवर यू विल बी इम्प्लीमेंटिंग, पीपल इजीली एक्सेप्ट दोज पॉइंट्स एंड विल वर्क अंडर दैट पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन. ओके, सिमिलरली courage is also important. Courage means, physical courage, social courage, intellectual courage. So all those points are also important. Courage is the tendency to accept and face risks. Okay, आपको टीम को लीड करके आपको कॉरेज, अगर आप ही करेजियस नहीं होंगे तो आपके अंडर जो काम करते हैं या जो पीपल आपके टीम में काम करते हैं वो उतने करेजियस नहीं रहेंगे. सो इट डिपेंड्स कि आपके लीडर ही पहले करेजियस होना चाहिए. सो करेज इज द टेंडेंसी टू एक्सेप्ट एंड फेस द रिस्क. रिस्क को फेस करना ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, और कोई भी चैलेंज को एक्सेप्ट करना और उसका जो भी कुछ रिस्क है उसको फेस करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. एंड दैट इज योर कॉरेज. सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस इज द बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ कॉरेज. सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, ओके, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर शोइंग कॉरेज इन अ पर्टिकुलर subject. Okay, courage is classified into 3 types. One is physical courage, the second is social courage, and the third is intellectual courage. Physical courage means how physically you are strong, that is physical courage. Social courage means जो सोसाइटी है उसको आप कितना उनको रिस्क लेने की उनको जो कैपेसिटी है वो बढ़ाने में आप क्या हेल्प करते हैं, दैट इज सोशल कॉरेज. ओके, यू हैव टू शो दैट आल्सो. ओके, सो दीज थिंग्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इंटेलेक्चुअल कॉरेज मीन्स मेंटली किसी को स्ट्रॉन्ग करना, मेंटली किसी को एक्सप्लेन करना कि हम कैसे रिस्क लेना और कैसे इस चीजों को फेस करना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज how the time you are using, okay, how you are valuing the time, because time is very important. So in companies when you will be working there, see, I'll give an example कि अगर ले लो कि 5-10 मिनट का लाइट चला जाता है तो बहुत सारे लेबर लॉस हो जाता है कंपनी का. इसलिए हमेशा जो फैक्ट्रीज रहते हैं, जो इंडस्ट्रीज रहता है, उनके स्टैंड बाय यूनिट्स रहते हैं, वहां पर इमीडिएटली अगर कोई फेलियर होता है, सप्लाई फेलियर होता है, तो वो 1 मिनट भी वहां पर लॉस नहीं करते हैं. इमीडिएटली उनका जो स्टैंड बाय डीजल पावर प्लांट्स रहता है उसको यूज करते हैं और उसको इमीडिएटली वर्किंग में लाते हैं, सो दैट उनके जो समय है, जो टाइम है, वो लॉस नहीं होना चाहिए. सो टाइम को वैल्यू करना इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट. जैसे आप वैल्यू एजुकेशन को यूज कर रहे हो, वैसे ही टाइम का भी वैल्यू करना भी उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. ओके, सो for today this much. I'll give some important point so that next time you will be preparing. Tomorrow most probably I'll be not in the college and I have another work, college work, so mostly tomorrow there will be no lecture, and from Friday once again your no lecture means only my lecture will be not there, the other lectures will be as usual. Okay, so I'll give 2 points for the next week which you will be preparing, and we'll have an interaction in the lecture. Okay, that is national unity and patriotism. लिख के रखो, national unity and patriotism. लिख के लिया, national unity and patriotism. Right, so we'll stop here. I'll take the attendance.